Hello everyone, meet me again in my channel Gus ASP.NET Source Code. Here I will introduce you my website that is gusaspnetsourcecode.com that is suitable for beginners. You can find your complete application source code here, and also you can log in and try my web application. Available application is Receive Payment Management System and Simple Receive Payment. Okay, I will continue our user manual. This is chapter 5, Master Cash Bank Type. Definition. Cash Bank Type or CB type is type of cash bank. For example, CB type cash for money physically in hand. CB type bank for money physically saved in bank. A wallet for money physically saved in digital wallet, or e-money for electronic money. Okay, let's see our application. Okay, we have two applications, that is Receive Payment Management System and also Simple Receive Payment. Let's click Receive Payment Management System. Click login, and this is, we are now focused on cash and bank type. There are two parts in master cash bank type. Part 1, cash bank type master, and the second, cash bank type management maintenance. This is cash bank type master. Let's see, we have 4 cash bank type. History update of each cash bank type can be shown in this cash bank type master by click Go CB type. See, this is the historical record. And now if we want to create new cash bank type or edit existing cash bank type, we have to go to data maintenance. Click data maintenance. Let's click. Okay, for example, I will create a new cash bank type. Let's see. We already have bank, cash, a money, a wallet. Let's say we have, for example, I want to create new CB type that is big cash, maybe. This is for example only, yeah. Big cash. Active. Description is cash more than 10 million. Okay, let's create new CB type. Now let's save. Let's see here. The big cash still not here. Now let's approve. The CB type is already here. Okay. What if I want to edit existing cash bank type? Let's click add, edit CB type, and choose the CB type I want to edit. For example, I choose big cash. I want to edit the description to be more than 15 million. Okay, save. Let's see. Still 10,000, 10 million. Now let's approve. Yes, remember, approve is cannot be cancelled. Let's see. Now the value has become 15 million. To see the historical record, click the Goose CB type. See, it was input. For the first time, the value was 10 million, and then it was edited and become 15 million. Okay, I hope this is easily to be understood, and I'm sure this is very easy. And usually in a company, there are not many cash bank type. Let's see our documentation. Okay, I think I have explained this cash bank type, create new cash bank type, or edit existing baseline type. This is to display the list of cash bank type, to display history update, and now this is how to create cash bank type. Okay, edit existing cash bank type. I already demonstrate. And the rules. The rules is the Goose CB type. That is this number 251. This is the primary key. The unique is while the unique key is the code. Let's see. The duplicate value, the unique key is the CB type code. Duplicate value for CB type code is not allowed. Means that each CB type has specific CB type code that cannot be the same with other CB type. Okay, I will demonstrate that the CB type code is a unique key. I will show you how it works. I try to add new CB type and I will give the same code. Let's see. In this master, we already have bank, big cash, cash, e-money, e-wallet. Now I will try to create a new cash bank type with the name e-wallet. Okay, active. Description, for example. Okay. You will see the warning is shown that cash bank code e-wallet or cash bank name e-wallet already exists in the master. So the saving process is failed. Saving failed. Now let me give it a new code. Save. Still error. Oh yes. The name CB type name e-wallet is already exists also. So I think I have to correct this. Unique key is CB type code, and CB type name. The CB type code, the unique key one is CB type code. Unique key number 2 is CB type name. CB type name is not allowed Okay, now let's see the demonstration. I change the CB type name to be eval2. Eval2. Now let's save. The save is success. There is no more message that the saving is failed. Okay. Now let's see the function of invalidate. Let's see, eval2 is not here. Now what if I want to cancel this cascading type maintenance? What I have to do is to invalidate, because there is no button delete. Invalidate. Okay. For example, I have the reason a wallet is already exists in CB type master. Yes. By invalidate, it means that the cascading type maintenance will never be approved. It is impossible to approve this cascading type maintenance. Okay, now let's continue our documentation. This is the rule. So we have primary key is to CB type, unique key number 1 is CB type code, and unique key number 2 CB type name. The process. Saving process, data stored in maintenance and not submitted to CB type master. Approve process. Once approve is commit, the data maintenance is sent to CB type master. Invalidate process. Once invalidate is committed, data remain in maintenance and will never be sent to CB type master. Here is the data flow diagram. While in process save, data is stored in maintenance data. When the process approve, data in the maintenance data is processed and then sent to CB type master. Okay, everyone, I hope this is enough, clear enough, and if you think that this is good enough, please subscribe. I will try to continue to the next user manual, the next chapter. And later, maybe I will try to create video about development process. Okay, everyone, thank you very much and see you at the next chapter.